I'm going to start off by showing you guys the materials. So we need an acrylic sheet. We need the foil, and this one's from We Are Memory Keepers in rose gold. An X-Acto knife, masking tape, and we will need the pink foiling tool from We Are Memory Keepers as well as the blue one. I will leave them down below where I got them. Next, I turned on my Cricut and I'm going to plug in the foiling tool. Since mine is a Cricut Maker, it does have a USB plug-in, so I am doing one of them in the machine, which is the pink one. I believe it's a fine point. I'll leave it down in the description which one is the pink and which one is the blue one. And then I'm going to remove the Cricut tool so that you guys don't get confused, because we're not using any Cricut tool, just the pink foiling tool and the blue foiling tool. And then I connected my blue one aside since the Cricut only has one USB plug. Next, I got my foil and I extended it, and I started taking off the clear coat from the acrylic, so that, which is the protective coat. Then I'm just gonna cut it off with the X-Acto knife, and I'm going to get my masking tape and tape it all over the invitation from every corner and the middle centers as well. Next, I'm putting it in my mat from 1 to 6 and 1 to 8. That's how I measure my invitations when I'm adding them into my Cricut making machine, when it's going to start foiling them. Sorry. Here I'm just showing you guys the template that I already had made, and I'm switching it to pen, and then I put the color silver in that one. And in this one, I'm going to do the pen as well in the color tawny. I don't know if I'm saying the color right, but I'm going to use two different colors, silver and tawny. And the gel is for the blue tool. Don't get it confused. The blue tool will be used in silver, and then the pink tool, which is thinner and it does the words very fine, I'm using it in the color tawny so that I don't get confused. And I'm using it in fine point, which is 0.4. And the blue one is in glitter and it's 0.8. That's how I put my settings. And here I'm just basically showing you. And then I'm just going to put everything together and attach it. And then I'm just measuring it with the square that I have in the back, or rectangle, which is 5 by 7, guys. The rectangle is 5 by 7, and I made my design a little bit smaller so it could fit into the 5 by 7 acrylic blank. Sorry. There I'm just centering it into the position I put the acrylic in my strong mat. I'm connecting my Cricut, and we're going to use heavy cardstock, the 100 LB. I went blank there for a little bit. So then it asked me to move and put the silver one. So the silver one was the blue, so I switched it for the blue and took the pink one out. I'm just going to put in the mat and start the foiling. And then just let the Cricut do its work, and it's going to let you know when to switch it to the other tool so that it could start doing the small details, which are the wordings in the color tawny. And there you go. It says Lowe's Tawny Pen and Clampe. So I switched it into the pink tool. So you could already see the work that the blue one did. Then it's already finished. So I'm going to offload my mat. And then it is a little bit hard for me to get like a good shot of the acrylic once everything's off. So here I'm just taking off all the tape and removing the foil off, obviously, and then I'm taking off that clear protective sheet that it has in the back as well. And there you go, you have your invitation. And guys, I completely forgot, but you could see the envelope. It didn't attach, so don't do the same mistake. The envelope stayed in my right hand corner if I were seeing it like this, but it's my left. It stayed in that corner. It should be in the middle, so don't do the mistake and attach everything well. And then here I'm just trying to get the good shot of the invitation so that you guys could see the effect it has. So I'm switching it into several, like that's my husband and I, so I'm putting our picture behind. And then I had the envelope, the vellum envelope with the wax seal. And you could turn them in like that. And they're super cute. Which you wouldn't be needing a whole envelope if you were to turn them in like that. And there you have it, guys. I hope you guys love the tutorial, and I will be doing more for the engraving ones as well. Keep tuned and give it a big thumbs up. Thank you, girls and guys, for subscribing. I really appreciate all your support, and I hope you love this tutorial. Thank you. God bless you guys. In case you do want to order any, let me know and DM me in Facebook under Dayanartistry Creations. Thank you, guys.